Hi guys, I'm here to show you how to get started with your courses at Nashville State. You're going to want to go to our D2L or Brightspace site, and that is at elearn.nscc.edu. Once there, you're going to be taken to a login screen, and I'm going to click the blue button that says click here to log in. There, you're going to log in with your A number and the password that you have set up. If you have not set a password up already, it is your 6-digit date of birth. If that does not work, you can click the password not working button and it will take you through a series of questions to get you logged in. I do recommend changing your password to something that you can remember, and you're going to hit the sign in button. Once you're there on your home page after you've hit sign in, there are two different places you can find your courses. You can scroll down and find them here, right? You may be in an 0815 course, writing, maybe reading. You may be in an English 1010 course. Or you can find them here at this set of boxes called a waffle, and you can click on that and see a drop down menu of your courses. I'm going to click on the English 0815 class because that's one of the classes that I teach, but this is going to be the same for your reading 0815 or your English 1010. You're going to click on the name of the course and it will take you to a page that looks like this. So every course has this like news section. This is where your instructor will communicate things with you that you need to know. Every course also has a content and an evaluation tab, and these are both super important. So let's scroll down and look at our news section. This is where you're going to see the things you need to do immediately to get started in the course. You also will see a description of the course that you're in and information about your instructor. And then on the left-hand side here, you're going to see information about upcoming due dates. These are really important to pay attention to, but you should probably also note that sometimes not every assignment shows up here. So there may be things your instructor's asking you to do over here in the news part that isn't over here in the calendar part. So pay attention to both every time you log in. That's really important. But then the other two important tabs are content and evaluation. So you can go to evaluation, you can click on grades to see how you're doing in the course. I'm not going to click on that because it'll show you other students' information and we don't want that. But it's a good thing for you to do for yourself because it'll just show you your own. And then here, the content tab is really important because this is where all of the information in your class is going to be. So you click on content, and when you scroll down on the left-hand side, you'll see a table of contents. You always want to start with the Getting Started module. Do this the second you can. The very first time you log into the course, you want to click on Getting Started and you want to read through all of this information. So this is going to tell you what you can expect, more information about your instructor. Your syllabus is like the most important document that you have in every single class. And so you're going to have this in all of your classes. It's going to tell you how you're being graded, what your assignments are, all of that important stuff is going to be there. After you've finished with your Getting Started tab, you'll see Module 1. You'll also see some assignments in this class. You have some assignments the first week, so make sure you get those done. But then in the Module 1, you'll see everything you're going to have to do for the first 3 weeks of class. Then you can go to Module 2, and there's everything you are going to have to do for the next 3 weeks of class in Module 2. And so you just want to make sure that you're clicking on every single thing under each tab. So I'm in Module 1, and I would start up here at the top where it says objectives. This is going to tell me what we're going to learn in the first 3 weeks. This is going to be a nice checklist of every single thing you have to accomplish. And then you see each of your assignments. And so you want to make sure that you're clicking on everything to make sure that you get everything done. If you have any questions, you should totally reach out to your professor. You can find their email address on the syllabus or on that instructor information page I showed you. Or you can click on communication and class list and find your instructor's name there. You would click next to their name and then you would click that email button. And that is a quick rundown on how we do things for online courses at Nashville State.